What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be cold calling some cash buyers to sell a property live with you guys. This is a deal that we can make over $50,000 if we assign the deal correctly. So we're gonna be making some calls on this. We're gonna be calling buyers. We're gonna be talking about the property so you guys can learn the formula. So when you're calling buyers yourself to sell your deal, you guys can maximize your ROI with getting that buyer to buy it at the highest price by sharing all the relevant information that they need, all the details to help them make an informed investment decision. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So one of the first things that we do is we have a CRM system that covers all of this stuff and keeps track of all of our buyers. So that way we can appropriately filter them out based off of properties that they're interested in. So that way I'm not cold calling a bunch of random people, just trying to pitch them a deal that they're probably not interested in, versus trying to really target and sniper approach all these people. So keep a CRM system that's gonna help you out to do all of that. We actually have a link below that you guys can access to our exact CRM system that we're using every single day. So we're gonna start dialing right now. First one, and we got a voicemail. So, so I always leave voicemails, always.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept
Not
any
when there's a
messages
mailbox
at this
full.
time.
Next one. So obviously if I don't get a hold of them, usually I would text, but for the purpose for this video, I'm gonna just keep calling, right?
Here's Pat.
Hey Pat, how's it going?
Good, who's good?
My name is Kyle Allen. I wanted to give you a call about a property that we have in Phoenix, Arizona right now. It's a 9-unit apartment complex that we're wholesaling. One of my partners, Nico, reached out to you yesterday and sent over some of the deals and kind of the rent rolls on it.
Yep. No, I looked at it.
Yeah, was it something that you were interested in? Do you typically buy multifamily, or are you more looking for other type of properties?
I prefer multifamily.
Nice, okay, cool. I mean, we have a decent amount of multifamily that we get off market. And then I see you have a 520 area code. Are you mostly doing Phoenix, Tucson, Pinal County, or are you kind of going outside of those and looking at other areas too?
Rental units up in Montana.
Oh, nice,
So,
okay.
Yeah, let me take another look at that thing and I'll let you guys know.
Okay, do you want me to send over some of the details of the deal again to you so you could look at it?
No, I got them.
Okay.
I just, you guys are asking 1.2?
Correct, yeah.
Seems high.
Yeah, it's about like 138 a door. In the area, some value-add units that were renovated are selling anywhere from like 150 to 175 a door. So, there's not a ton of equity in there, but if you just wanted something that's gonna cash flow, I think you could, do some light renovations. The area is not, an A-class area, it's kind of more C-class. So you're definitely not gonna wanna do a ton of renovations to this one.
Yeah, no, it's not the greatest neighborhood, believe me. But,
Yeah, definitely.
I take a look at the $375,000 downstroke and, what's it gonna take me to recoup that? Well, 10 years, if I can get the 34,000 positive.
Yeah, to get 34, yeah. So we sent over a performance, stuff like that I think you could get pretty close to that. So, if you're interested, I'd love to definitely chat a little bit more. We're gonna actually show a couple buyers tomorrow the property and get into some of the vacant units. I'll even bring out a contractor over there too to make sure that, some of the renovation budgets are in line, anything like major with the roof or AC units, electrical panel.
Yeah.
We try to do a, pretty extensive, deep dive when we go into them, especially on these assets. And then we'll see if we can put something together, Pat. So a couple things that he mentioned on the call that are important is, obviously whenever you're telling someone about the condition of the property, it's always subject to anyone's opinion, right? Especially cash buyers. We have, I looked at a deal the other day, an investor said that he can get it done in like $22,000, $25,000. I looked at that deal, and if I were to renovate that deal, I was probably at least 60, 70 grand into that deal. So you just kind of never know what someone's exit plan is or what someone's looking to do. And then for some examples like this guy, it seems like he maybe wants a higher quality product or something that he knows is gonna be in good condition for his tenants, which I don't blame him, because if you have a lot of deferred maintenance, that's eating away at the cash flow because your maintenance reserve is up on this type of deal. So not the end of the world. So, it is what it is. We just keep calling. He's a great person to put as the follow-up. So in my system, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add him as that opportunity section to go follow up. So once I have photos, videos, more information about the actual asset itself, I'm gonna forward that over to him and get it over. Hey Chris, this is Kyle with the Hoffer Group. How are you doing today?
Good, what's going on?
Doing good. Hey, just wanted to see, I know you were buying some multifamily in Phoenix. Are you still looking for anything right now?
I'll tell you what, send me a text real quick and then I'll get back to you later today. Just stepped in a meeting literally like 2 seconds ago on Google.
Yeah, no, all good, Chris. I appreciate it. I'll send you a text. It's a 9-unit off market, so I'll text it over.
Right on. Yeah,
Thanks, brother.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Obviously, you want to be polite, the same as the last one, right? Really quick on the phone, wants to get off real quick. We'll try to get you guys one more so we can actually have a more in-depth conversation with one of these buyers. So this is a call coming in from the marketing that we were doing. Hey, what's up, Julian? How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. How about yourself?
Doing good. Hey, this is Kyle Allen giving you a call. I wanted to check in to see, I saw that you wanted some multifamily in Phoenix. Are you still looking for anything? Yeah, we are. Yeah, cool. We got a 9-unit right now. It's in Sunny Slope. We're selling it right now for $1.2 million. It's about a $138 a door, so deeply discounted. You know, obviously has a lot of value add potential to the deal, but also has some good cash flow aspects to it too.
What's the income on it?
Yeah, so right now 4 of the units are vacant. So, you know, that it does hurt the income that it's collecting.
Yeah.
But even with the other 5, it's collecting $6,800 in rent. So we have a performer rent that's gonna get over $12,000 a month when it's all occupied. Okay. So we're missing a decent amount of chunk of rent, but when you get it in there, so essentially what the owner's doing is he has all the permits through the city to basically master meter, or sorry, their master meter at the moment, he's gonna be turning them individually metered. So that's gonna help a ton. Yeah. So it's gonna help to drop down expenses.
Okay, so it will be turning it into individual.
Correct. He's not gonna do it before the close of escrow, but you know, everything's there and ready for the buyer to take over.
Okay, cool. Yeah, can you send me over, do you have any photos by chance or anything?
So, yeah, so we have a couple photos of the exterior of the property. I have also some performas, some rent rolls, and some also some comps for you in there. There was a building that sold for $150 a door that was a value add project that sold not too long ago and just down the street. Then there was another one that sold, you know, right around that like 1.2 range too. So both of them, you know, had cap rates right around like a 6 to, you know, a 6.5. And then this one, if you get it all stabilized, you'll be at like an 8.6 cap rate on it. So it'd be pretty good cash flow for the investor.
Nice. Yeah, man, shoot me over whatever information you got, and I'll definitely take a look into it and try to get somebody on it.
Cool, I appreciate it. What I'll do is I'll shoot you over a text, and then it'll be a link to our website, and it'll have all the details, the photos. I'm going out there tomorrow to actually take some more photos, some videos, and just overall condition of major ticket items, roof, AC, the whole 9 yards, right? So if you have any questions or some additional interest, just let me know. We'll obviously have some more info tomorrow for you.
For sure, man. Sounds good. I appreciate it. I'll keep an eye out for that message, okay?
Okay. Thanks so much, Julian. I'll talk to you here soon.
Great. Awesome. Take care, man. I'll talk with you later.
All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that's the value of leaving voicemails, to keep calling people, is to eventually have them call back. And it's important to answer your phone when they're calling you back. You know, I'm filming this video, we're trying to make calls. I'm gonna show you how I'm really doing deals. And as soon as that phone rings, like, I'm looking at it because I know there's money on the line. So one of the things, if you're a dispo rep and you're trying to get started in this business and you don't really know where to go, one of the best places is to be on the phone as much as you possibly can. Calling cash buyers, doing research on what properties that they bought, making sure that they know who you are so that way you have the deal. Me and the disposition team talk about this all the time. It's like a matchmaker game, right? So you have 2 bananas, random cards, and you have to find the 2 bananas and flip them. But if you don't go through all the cards, you're not gonna know where the 2 bananas are, right? So that's exactly on how you can find a buyer for these deals is, hey, I have this 9-unit deal. I need to find a buyer for said 9-unit deal. I'm gonna have to call maybe 500 people to find that person, but it could be worth a massive check if I do it right. So these are some of the things when I first got started. I just ripped the phone. I made sure every buyer in town knew who I was, and if they didn't know who I was gonna find them and make sure that they knew who I was. And this is really, really important that you're going in there, that you're using Instagram to find these buyers, that you're using Facebook and Facebook groups, that you're using software platforms to skip trace LLCs, get their information, that you have organic ads that are playing and going out for cash buyers, so they're filtering coming into you, that you have your email list, your CRM system all set up. These are ways that you're gonna build that buyers list bigger and bigger so you have more room to prospect and find these cash buyers. So if you guys like this video, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel, shoot us a thumbs up, leave some comments below, some questions, maybe some things that you guys wanna learn more about wholesaling real estate, so Lucas and myself can cover these topics for you guys and help you to get started to make your first $100,000 to your next $1 billion and so on and so forth. We're excited to help you guys and excited to do some business together. So make sure to reach out and follow us on some other social media platforms. We have some links below and some free resources to get you started wholesaling real estate. I'll see you guys in the next video.